You know I come from a city of sorrow, man. Ugly introduction, red snow, heartaches.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and today we're doing something brand new that I felt the wave game needed, that I know nobody has done in the wave game. So we're gonna do it here first, man. It's called the Oliveira method, man. I made this method of myself. I got it from a good source. We're gonna do it for the wave game so we can show y'all real quick. So first things first, you wanna go wash your hair. So off the rip, let's just go wash our hair real quick. You know, we ain't gonna do no deep washing style method. We just gonna wash our hair real quick so that way it can be clean and washed out, and we can get on to the next step. Feel me? We just got to the store right now, man. We getting the Oliveira right now to put in our hair, man. So I'm gonna show y'all right now. That is right there, 99 cents for a big Oliveira thing, man. And we finna put this in our hair. Y'all already know, man. We the first to do it on YouTube. We doing the Oliveira method. Y'all gonna see it right here at first. Rico the Waver. I went to right here, Vallarta. Feel me, Vallarta, however y'all wanna pronounce it, man. All right, we finna head back to the crib. We gonna put that thing in, man. What you gonna need for the video is a nice brand new bottle, spray bottle. Your wash little thing, you know, because you're gonna wanna wash your hair. A do-rag, so you go do that wash method. Y'all can go tune in on one of my wash methods to see how to do a washing style, and then come back to this video and follow the next steps. As y'all see, I went and picked up the Oliveira from the store, as I showed y'all in my previous clip. And then y'all also want to get one of these spray bottles, man, and just, you feel me, we're gonna show y'all how we're gonna make it right now. We pretty much is gonna be making it into a spray, and we're gonna apply it to our hair and stuff like that. Pretty much is gonna do for my hair, this little piece right here, you feel me? What this is gonna do for my hair is it's gonna make my hair more softer. It's gonna, you feel me, get down in the pores now that you wash your hair out, and overall just make your hair feel more healthier, gets rid of dandruff, gets rid of dry scalp, and it makes your hair just way more softer for the waves, man. So as y'all see, this look like some type of weird, I don't even know what this is. This thing just look like it's gonna stab you. Look like it'll stab you right in the face, but we're gonna show you how to cut it, and y'all wanna watch out for these spiky parts. We're gonna show y'all how to cut it right now. Alright, y'all, so if y'all was wondering what this thing pretty much does for your hair, I have to step away to wash my hair real quick. But this pretty much helps with, you know, hair breakage, you know, dead ends. You know, waver, you might not think dead ends, dead ends, that's a female. No, you have dead ends too with your waves. Pieces, it helps with all that breakage. All that, bro. Like, it helps your hair grow. Pretty much what it is, to be honest, bro, it's real natural. You see, I came from a market to get this, bro. This not out no beauty supply or nothing like that. This is out of a market. I got this out of a market. So put in my waves. Giving me my credit because I am the first in the wave game to do this. Then we all is good. Feel me? But let's get ready to get in the next steps and how to cut it. And we're gonna show y'all what it's doing for my hair and how it's gonna make my hair softer, help it grow. And if you do this at least once a week, or even you could even do it every day, bro, or every time you wash and style, you do this after. Guarantee you gonna have results. Alright, y'all, so these are the other essentials that I have right here. I got this from Walmart. It's an olive oil. Feel me? Real natural. You don't see, this not like no regular olive oil. I mean, it's still olive oil, but it's just more natural, you know? Straight to the point. You feel me? Simple bottle of water. Don't know. Spray bottle you can get from 99-cent store anywhere or whatever. And you pretty much want to cut it right. You're gonna feel where it starts to, like, you know, get thicker. So you can't really get nothing out of the bottom half. So what you want to do is just, let me slice that part off. You know. Then you're gonna take it from here and slice all these thorns off, which is real sharp. Now try not to cut too deep because you're gonna be cutting the Oliveira off with it. So you just slicing it off. Just make sure you have an extra sharp knife too. You feel me? An extra sharp little knife that could just be careful on that side because, you know, the Oliveira gonna get on your hands, but cut it just like that. Now that all the thorns are cut off, what you want to do is cut this piece off right here. little thick, so you gotta, you know, cut it off into it. Now it should look just like that. Should look just like that, you know. Now what you want to do is you can just cut off, like, you know, cut you a little slice. Just like that. Set this is still all good. You feel me? Set that to the side. And then with this, what you want to do is just slice that open. So we're doing a lot of slicing, you know. And what you want to do is just pretty much slice it up to where you want to see this stuff in the inside. See that sticky stuff in the inside? That sticky stuff in the inside right there? That's what we're going to be putting on our hair. You see? That's the Oliveira. And then we're going to show you how to make the bottle next. Alright y'all, so I'm going to be using this bottle too. You can find this at any grocery store. Just, I forgot to throw that one in there. And then the rest of these products. I'm going to be making a spray right now. This is my own at-home made spray. Right here. So what you want to do is pour a little bit of this inside of here, right? Then next, you get your water bottle, pour a little bit in there. After you poured enough of that in there, next you want to get your Oliveira, open that, you know, pour a little bit in there because you don't want to pour the whole bottle. Just like so that. With these, it's optional. You know, it depends on what you want your hair to smell like that week. Like right here, we got olive oil, we got sweet orange, and lemon. This week, I'm going to put it olive oil. And next week, you could just try, you know, sweet orange and lemon. All this is still good for the hair. You don't have to put it all in at once. But instead of wasting it, you could just, you know, use once a week, spray, you know, mix your spray together. You feel me? Put the top on. Take this little tag off, I don't know. And just use that until the bottle gone. And you make it stretch, man. You got all that olive oil, all that Oliveira, and all of this. And then if you're using the plant too, it's really gonna have your hair looking just right. Mix that up. Feel me? And that's your good spray right there. That's a spray right there. You can use that naturally. It's a natural spray. You can use that all the time. Alright, so pretty much what you want to do is cut it into little slices, like a little pizza, and it should look right just like that, man. And you want to just rub that bad boy in, man. Simple as that. All over the waves. Just like that. Of course, it's gonna have a smell. It's gonna have a smell. It's natural. And not a good smell. That's why it's good to wash it out, but it does help. And this is what it should look like when there ain't nothing left on there. It should be real, like, you know, nothing left at all. This side we still got a whole chunk. This stuff stink. Now, it is other ways you can put it in, like blend it, you know, blend it up and apply it in. But I just want to apply this in naturally. Like, I don't want this stuff to get in. Feel me? You feel like it ain't no more going on there, you can switch new ones, get another one. Mom! Now this stuff is gonna have an odor, like a nasty stank odor. That's why you need to get this out your hair. You know, make sure you wash it out thoroughly when it's time to wash. Alright, when it's done, it's either gonna look like this or just, you feel me, flat out dry like that. It's not gonna be sticky no more. You ain't gonna be feeling nothing like, you know, you feel me? After that, it's done. And you can't really do nothing else with this unless, you know, you blend it up and then do it like that. Then you can really get the full effect. But, you know, it still serves the same purpose. Alright, man, so pretty much now what you wanna do, seal that bad boy off instantly. You want to just tie it and tie the plastic bag on your head and get it locked in and let it sit for about an hour. Getting smell on because you're going to wash the do-rag anyway. After it's fully sealed and locked on, what we're doing now is basically really sealing it so it can get in there. Let it sit for about an hour. I'm gonna tell you what we do next. Alright, man, so it's been about an hour and a half. What you wanna do now is pretty much take the plastic bag off, throw your do-rag back on, rinse it out real good, and if it's still smelling, go ahead and hit it with that another washing, you know, feel me? Get the soap in there and wash it out again. My hair look, got the rag real quick. Feel me? Now we're gonna throw the rag back on and rinse it out. Alright, YouTube, so now that you waited your hours, you washed it out, feel me, now it's time for the results. So we just unrag. Feel me? Alright, so now you want to get your session in and get everything back in order because everything is knocked off track right now. You feel me? You did a lot to your hair. You want to get a good brush session in, lock it in with some product. You feel me? You can also use that spray. That spray is real good. I'm telling you. Do-rag don't smell too bad because we washed it out. And that's it, man. It's your boy Rico the Waver. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Y'all see how I got my hair looking, man. Real nice and laid, real good, healthy, soft, a little bit more silkier. And I'm telling you, apply this in once a week and you're gonna see results, man. I already see results and I've been only using it for a couple of weeks, man. Been really working on this. I really recommend y'all try it. I really recommend y'all try this method, man. This is my method. This is Rico the Waver's method. I came out with this method. Now, if you come out with this video, show me some type of credit, man. Whether it's you mentioning me in the video once, putting me in the description, my link to my YouTube, my link to this video where you found the video. Give me some type of credit where credit is due, man. I'm trying to change the way again and give y'all a little something. I just really want my credit, that's all. Because I know a lot of people would steal and run off with some stuff and don't give credit. I just want credit where credit is due, man. It's only respect. I respect you. If you came out with a video, and I wanted to, you know, do the video as well to test it and see how it is, I will do the same, man. That's all I'm asking for. I know I keep on saying that, but anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Rico the Waver. Don't forget.